This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
One robot, one table, one messy pile of towels. That's it. No sparks, no drama, just hands. A human slides the towels in. "Hey, figure, can you fold these?" "Sure thing." And the room goes quiet, except for a whisper of motors. Watch the hands. Pinch, lift. Snap the fabric once, wrinkles surrender. Lay it flat, smooth. Fold, fold, fold. Basket, again. This looks simple. It's not. Cloth is chaos. It stretches, slumps, hides its edges. Machines hate that. But these hands, they don't hesitate. They don't blink. They don't guess. They decide. Old way, scripted moves, perfect stacks, guarded cages, brittle routines. New way, a generalist with eyes and fingers, adapting in real time. Old way, hire, train, rotate, fatigue, errors. New way, always consistency. First towel looks like the 1000th. Pinch, lift, flat, smooth. Fold, fold, fold. Basket. Here's where it gets interesting. If you can master towels, you can touch the real world. Linens in hospitals, returns in warehouses, produce in groceries, kits in factories. Anything soft, slippery, misaligned, unpredictable. Time math? Seconds per towel scale to hours per shift and weeks per year. Waste drops. Throughput climbs. Quality locks in. And look, every motion lands in the same place. Precision is a habit here. But that's not all. This isn't just speed, it's judgment. Find the edge, re-grip, recover when the fold isn't perfect. Humans call it feel. Robots call it signal. Pinch, lift, flat, smooth. Fold, 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 basket. Today, it's laundry, the friendliest stress test for dexterity. Tomorrow, it's simulate anything. Hands that assemble, pack, prep, pick, place, without redesigning the world for the machine. The visor never blinks. The logo doesn't move. Only the hands do. Quiet, calm, certain. If this feels like the line between demo and deployment, you're right. You just watched it. Subscribe to AIX for more real-world AI. No fluff, just moments like this, where the future quietly goes to work.